Hey guys, so we're going to go over Module 8 in this video. So it's basically all about Chapter 13. Read Chapter 13 on craft media and useful objects. There won't be any lecture videos this week, but make sure you read that chapter thoroughly. Take the quiz on Chapter 13 by July 3rd before 11:30 p.m. And then there is a quiz on a history of art in 3 colors. So we're actually just doing the gold episode. It's pretty interesting, and I want you to complete the corresponding quiz by Sunday, July 3rd before 11:30 p.m. And then don't forget, the public art project is due this Sunday, July 3rd before 11:30 p.m. and it's worth 15% of your grade for this course, so make sure to get that in. The PowerPoint, the quiz on Chapter 13, no lecture videos. The gold quiz is here. You would actually watch the videos here in 4 segments. It's split up into 15-minute segments. There's 4 of them, and they all link to the videos here that you can watch. I suggest doing this on 2 separate devices, one to take the quiz on simultaneously while watching the documentary on a different device. So 2 devices is going to work best for this. All questions are multiple choice. It's a 5-question quiz. It covers the entire length of the documentary. You have an hour and 10 minutes to complete the quiz, which is longer than, actually you have closer to 2 hours to complete the quiz actually, but this is around an hour long. So you kind of have to use your time wisely. Don't pause the video. Like once you start, just try to get it done within a 2-hour window. Yeah, so that is basically, and don't forget to upload your project number 2 by the end of the week. And that's basically module number 8.